Okay, so say between this Camry and this Toyota, both of them are Toyotas, say the space between the parking areas is narrow, or it's the last space and you have two big like club cab pickup trucks, but they're extended out. So sometimes you have to go past the space. So I have my left signal on. I'm going to put the center of my hood in the brake light of the driver's side. So I move up and I turn to the left. Okay, so I'm going towards the car and I stop right about there. Then I put my car in reverse. Now remember, as I back up to the right, the front of my car is going to move to the left. So I turn my steering wheel to the right and the front of the car is moving to the left. So I stop there, put my car in drive, left signal back on, and I start turning to the left. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my passenger side front corner of the hood and go towards the Toyota Prius front tire. When the front of my car is about 1.5 feet, 2 feet from the car, I turn back to the left. And there I am in between the two cars. And then I put my car in park.